So we are planning a Yellowstone fishing trip in October. Now Matt and I are putting in a little bit of the prep work, getting ready. Check this out. So what we got going on here, bud?
Tying some rubber legs for German browns, maybe rainbows, but
Anybody on here know what German browns are?
German brown trout.
Brown trout, that's right. So this is what he's got here. Check that out. It's supposed to mimic a stonefly, right?
Just some different stoneflies, yeah. They should be in the water when we get there.
And then we got some other little, the simple ones, the San Juan worms. We're going to be tying a couple eggs. So, all right. Hopefully the next time you see us, we'll be on the river fishing. We have arrived, West Yellowstone, and there's snow everywhere. And I'm in flip-flops. We're so glad to be here. Okay, let's go get checked in. So look what I run into out here, my good buddy Justin Burr. He taught me how to fly fish, and he's out here. How y'all been doing?
We've been doing pretty good. Yeah, we're excited and we're going home tomorrow, but we've had a fun time.
So we have not caught a fish yet. Matt went ahead. He jumped in our favorite hole we call the rock hole, glory hole, whatever you want to call it. But it's a beautiful day for fishing. Even though it might not look pretty cloudy and whatnot. It works for us. There he is, the great white fisherman.
Yeah, I don't know how that is right now.
Right over here is a good spot to come out. Slow, low.
Okay.
All right, Dad, you got the glory hole.
Got it.
Haha.
Whitefish.
Whitey, big whitefish.
It's huge. I've never caught a whitefish that big. Look how big that thing is.
Yeah.
Not what we came for, but we'll take it, right?
All right. First catch of the trip.
Yeah. One down. Oh, it's another whitefish. He's tired out now. That's eagle food right there, huh? He bit the stonefly. Oh, got it.
There you go. Yep. Oh yeah, heads up.
Not very big, is he?
Nice.
My elbow gumbo sword. Nice rainbow, huh?
Yeah, man.
Sweet. And what did he take? He took the stonefly, huh?
Here, you get him out of it.
Oh, he's nice.
Yeah,
He's beautiful. Nice.
Like this one. I think these are cool. These have not. You have not tried something like that.
Okay,
I'll throw something like that. Maybe a little egg or.
So Dad's out there fishing. Me and Matt. We're sitting over here making us some food. Oh, he must have smelled the food. He's coming out now.
I tell you, that's hard fishing.
Oh. So we just got back from eating, and now it is time to go get in the hot tub. Warm up out here in West Yellowstone, Montana. The wolves are howling. That's pretty cool. Well, it is Monday morning out here on Yellowstone, and it's a different day. The sun's going to come out today. There's no rain in the forecast. It is going to be cold, but it's going to be a lot nicer to have the sun on us. I'm wrapping up a banana here. Matt's out there. He's making a few casts. And there's my dad. He's getting set up. He's getting ready, getting his hands in a situation where he wants them. So we're out here in West Yellowstone. Really?
He bit the old bug. The rubber legs.
He's got a lot of energy, that's for sure. Oh, it's a big old brown trout. Yeah. As Macy would say, that's what I'm talking about.
Hold him up. Oh, yeah.
It's a female. Not very big.
That's a nice fish, though. Let's see.
Oh, it's a brown trout.
I think it's a rainbow.
You think it's a rainbow?
Oh!
Deadgum. That happens, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
They're hard to pull through, aren't they? They'll get out there and they'll just hold on. Look like a really nice rainbow.
From the little fly.
I like that sound.
Dang. Uh-oh.
Yeah. It's a beautiful rainbow trout. Well, we have caught some good fish out here on this hole, haven't we, guys?
Yep.
It was a good day. It was a definitely better morning. It was good fishing.
We've caught brown trout, rainbow trout, the elusive whitefish. Really caught some of those guys. But we're actually gonna go try a different hole now. We're gonna ride over to a place in Idaho, give it a shot, and see what we got. We're now going to be fishing here in Ashton along the Snake. We're just right below the Ashton Dam. No luck, huh? He's got to be. He's tugging whatever it is. He's putting some pressure on me. He's wrapping me around a rock. That's for certain.
Fighting like a whitefish. You at least got to catch him though.
It's about 7:30 Tuesday morning. This is our last day on the river. We got out here, first ones in the park, first ones to the spot. It is about 19 degrees currently. Well, it's probably warmed up to about the low 20s now, but we just hiked in about a half a mile. Rod tips keep freezing up the eyelets, but you can see Matt back there. You can see him here yet. There he is. He's hard at it. We're hoping that today will be a great day. It's supposed to be a bluebird day. Keep looking over our backs for bears. Never know where these guys are. So it is our last day and Matt is gonna try something different. So am I. But you can see in the background the fog coming up off the river. I'll pan around and you can see Dad, he has instantly slipped into the spot where I was.
Totally got in.
He does not like to be down there on that end. For some reason in his head, he thinks that's the best place. Matt's got one. See what he can do with it. our lines and stuff is freezing up out here. He said his drag was frozen and it wouldn't come out, so check this out. Little tiny block of ice floating down the river. Matt's got one, he's coming over me. Oh, he's foul hooked too. Hey, that's okay. We're catching them however we can, right? Whatever works. Well, we'll say this. I'm sorry I'm squinting, looking into the sun here. The fishing's been hit or miss this trip. We've had some good moments and some long, quiet moments. But overall, we've enjoyed ourselves. The weather's been kind to us. It's been pretty cold at times, but for the most part, we're staying warm. I think Matt had a bad leak. Dad had a bad leak in their waders. They rebounded pretty well, so. What do you think, Matt? How's fishing?
Fishing's been good. I mean, it's been, like you say, hit or miss, but we've had a good time. We've all caught trout.
Trout fishing.
Place, so can't ask for much better.
Yep. If you want to come catch some nice fish, see some cool scenery, just see some neat stuff, Yellowstone's a pretty cool place, so definitely will not be our last time to come out here. We try to do this trip every couple of years, so eventually our little boys are going to be out here with us, so we're looking forward to that. Check this out. Did that really just happen? Okay. I got a bigger rock. There we go.
All right.
Yes!
Woo!
Hey!
There you go.
What you got there, Dad?
I got a beautiful German brown.
Matt scoring. He's
Woo! It's a nice big rainbow. Oh, here it's coming. Oh! Oh, yeah. Male.
a real pretty fish.
Might be a brown. I played in the rainbow. I believe he's a rainbow.
It's not a whitefish.
No, that's a rainbow.
Is it? Oh yeah, it's a male. Whoa, now. Yep, get him up there. Get him up there, Dad. Nice.
Okay, I'm taking a little break. I'm gonna have a little bit of soup. We have been on the fish today. I caught a whitefish, probably the biggest whitefish I've ever caught. I know nobody really wants to brag about whitefish, but I will admit, you know, it was a tough fish to reel in. And he's off.
We consider that a catch.
We do. When it's a whitefish, we just fight them until they pop off.
That's a catch. You don't have to touch them. You don't want to touch them.
Okay, we are done here at the Barnes hole. We are done with the glory hole, or whatever hole you want to call it. We caught a, Dad likes to call it the rock hole. There's a rock that he'll rest his foot on and fish that hole.
Here we are wrapping up at the Barnes hole in Yellowstone. And just want to show you the parking lot here at noon. A Montana plate, a Wyoming plate, Washington plate, Montana, Utah, Colorado, California, yours truly, New Mexico. You can see it gets lots of attention. we still were able to catch a few fish, and we're gonna see it here in another year or so.